Hi everybody. So we've gotten some questions about how Todd and I create an income while we are refitting this boat and where the money comes from to do this.
We're a family of 6 who sold our house, bought a boat, and now we're getting ready to sail around the world. Welcome to our channel.
So we've had some of you ask where we get the money to do what we're doing, and we thought that was a great question and one that we would do in a quick video update today. So if you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the bell to get notified when we put out new videos. We do that on Sundays, the general kind of things. Tuesdays is Technical Tuesdays, and Fridays is Whole Food Friday, documenting our family's change to whole food. Be sure to give us a thumbs up if you like what we're doing, and check out those other videos. When it comes to creating an income, Todd and I have been self-employed for most of our married life. This year we will have been married 31 years, and Todd was working for himself when we got married. Todd's been in construction for many years. He owned a business when we lived in Utah and again when we moved to Alaska. I have been trained as a midwife and then became a photographer when midwifery was just too much of a challenge for our family. At that point we had 10 kids at home, and being on call 24/7 was a big strain. So I became a photographer, had a studio, traveled around doing workshops, teaching other people to do what I did, which was how we supported ourselves the first time that we went out on the road. Getting a taste of the freedom on the road, we knew that that was what we wanted to do, and we started looking for ways to do that. We had a business that was network marketing and direct sales that worked really well for us for a number of years, and we supported ourselves that way on the road. We decided that that was no longer a good fit and parted ways with that company. At that time, Todd went back to what he knows, which is construction. So currently, Todd installs RV roofing for a company called RV Armor, and he also does inspections and replacements for a window and door company. I have since started doing life coaching. So I help families who are looking to live a different life, become minimalists, go out and have adventures, figure out how to do that. That information is down below, and a link to that if you're interested in having us help you figure out how to live your dreams. As for the boat, how did we do that? One of the things that we have been very passionate about for many, many years is being debt-free. As a result, we built our home mortgage-free and owned it outright. So when we decided to do this, we sold our home, and we have been putting the money from our home sale into the boat. Also, the money that Todd makes doing RV Armor, windows and doors, and that I make as a life coach. So that's how we do it, is we work hard, we do what it takes, and we live our dreams. We live minimally, on a budget, and because we're willing to do what other people aren't, we can live the life that other people can't. If you have more questions about how we do different things in our life, ask us down below. We'll be sure to answer you and maybe even put it in a video so that everybody can benefit from that information. We will be back with more updates on the boat and how it's going next week. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.